How to log into your account on Spine HR. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to log into your account on Spine HR. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, if you open up any web browser on your device, that may be Chrome or Safari, click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in Spine HR login and press enter on the keyboard. Then you will land on this result page where you have to click on the official Spine HR link. So click on the first link of spinehr.in. Now you will land on the official interface of Spine HR where you need to scroll down at the bottom. And firstly, you need to enter your corporate ID. Once you do that, you need to choose the option whether you want to go for HR or go for the candidate onboard. When you click on the each option as per your preference, you need to enter all your credentials according to the prompts given on the screen, and then once you fill in all the information, you can easily log into your account on Spine HR. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.